Hello, Taurus. Welcome back. Welcome back, you guys. So, right now, we're going to be talking about what's going on in love with you guys for the last 2 weeks of October. So, we're going to get into this. And before I get started, I just want to say that if you guys are interested in getting any personal guidance for your life, feel free to check that out in the description box down below. Just click the title of this and you will see when it expands, you will see where you can find the link for that information if interested. Also, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Become a part of the family, the community, okay? If you would like spiritual guidance and advice. All right, so Taurus, we're going to be talking about all love, all right? How you feel about someone, how they feel about you, and also how you both see each other. If you are interested in going deeper, finding out more information, that's when the personal comes into the picture, because this is only going to tell you feelings and views, but it doesn't really get into intentions. It doesn't really get into like helpful advice. It's not really here to give advice. It's just here to tell you what's going on. All right. So yeah, go deeper if you want. Now, Taurus, this love interest, the way you feel. Some of you may feel really special. This person makes you feel special. They're saying something, doing something, or acting a particular way that makes you feel really, really excited for love with this person. They bring in a new and passionate energy into the connection, and it's making you really, really, really want to have a new beginning with them. This person and you have learned how to overcome some difficulties in order to reach a big goal that you have together. So you guys are really, maybe this is someone that you've really been wanting to be with, and this is someone who really has been wanting to be with you, and it's been really, really challenging on this road to getting together. But for some of you, I think that you and this person have overcome a lot of things, and now you are at the point where you're both overcoming whatever else that was left lingering behind within this connection. So you and this person, I feel like, especially you, Taurus, I feel like you're starting to realize that you want more now with this connection. You want more now with this individual. You do want to settle down at this time. You do want them, right? I feel like you are really in love with this person. You have fallen in love with them. And for a lot of you guys, this could be like your first time falling in this kind of love. And you're just like, you know what? I think that I really do really want to spend a lot of time with them, or to spend the rest of my life with them for some of you. But I feel like first you need their approval. I feel like you need this person to approve, or to confirm this feeling that you feel about them. You need them to confirm that feeling. Like, do they really feel the same way that you feel before you decide to move forward with them? So if you and this person had a rough past, and like I said, I can tell it's been a difficult journey with you and this person, but you may be thinking about, you know what, all the bad things that I said about this person or about this connection, I was so dumb, I was so lost, I was so this or that. You could be saying these kind of things about yourself or to yourself, because you realize that instead of feeling the way you used to feel about this connection, you actually say, you know what, I'm putting all that behind me, and I'm going to really love this person, and I have to really demonstrate love to them now. I have to really provide an example for this person in order for this person to open up to me the way that I need them to. In order for this person who I really, really adore, who I really admire, and who I'm trying to be in a relationship with right now, I really need to show them. I need to show them. So I need to come from the heart, right? You guys are really saying that to yourselves. Like, you need to come from the heart. You are focused on leaving the burdens behind that you and this person experience on as friends, because I feel like this is just like, even as friends, you guys had a hard time trying to like be in a relationship for the first time and that kind of thing. All right, so this person feels emotionally connected to you, Taurus. This person has a lot of feelings for you, a lot of feelings. Emotionally, you have them. Emotionally, they love you. Emotionally, you're the only person they have feelings for. So it's a strong love with you and for you. This person feels ready to explore this connection on a deeper level with you. They are investing more of their time and energy into positive things at this time. So they are staying clear of negativity right now, and they're focused more on love. They are manifesting new love. They're really wanting nothing but love around them. All love around them. That's what they're focused on, okay? So how do you see this person? I feel like a lot of you guys are observing them. You really, really observing your person, but also you see them observing too. You see them watching you, looking at you, paying attention to you, in tune with you, all in your energy. They're all in your face, Taurus. Like, this person is really into you. They're really looking and paying attention to every little thing that you do. They could be watching your social media like a lot. Listen, they could watch your social media every single day. They could check on you all the time to see what you're doing. This could be someone who you love that's at a distance from you, and the only way that they can connect is through social media for some of you. But you see them seeing things from a different perspective, right? They have a neutral observation of you or of this connection from a distance, right? I'm getting that this is a distant lover. This is the person who lives far away from some of you guys, or this is like an online connection, or someone who you connect with in this kind of way. But this is someone who they see things from a certain perspective because they're at a distance. So when they watch you, they're watching you without judgment. They're not like trying to say it's this and it's not this. They're not trying to say it's that and it's not that. They're just watching. They're just looking at you. They're just trying to see what's up, right? And that's how you see them. The way they see you being at some place of peace of mind during this time. They feel like you are finally single. You are finally free from something that you were dealing with. Maybe you finally walked away from someone. Maybe you finally, have removed someone from your life. But they see you finally at peace. You're single. You're alone. You're by yourself. You're doing your own thing. This person feels like you now have a quiet mind, like you finally have a peace of mind, or maybe your life has calmed down a lot. They feel like you're finally satisfied on a soul level. You finally have peace and harmony around you. You and this person are in tune with each other, even at a very great distance from each other. You are in true alignment with each other. So when I feel like there's a lot of people also watching your connection. I feel like a lot of people look at your social media. A lot of people have access to their social media. And people can't tell you two apart. And what I mean by that is not that you look alike, but what I mean is that you guys both have the same exact energy toward each other during this time frame. And people can't tell who loves who more. People can't see through, because people can feel your love together because you have a very great, powerful love. And so people can feel it, but they can't tell who loves who more, right? People are just like, wow, he or she really loves the Taurus. But wow, the Taurus really loves he or she. This is amazing, right? So people are just like, you guys have the same kind of energy together. You both really love each other. They can't tell you two apart. They can't tell. They can't tell who goes harder for who. You both go hard for each other. All right. So people are knowing this about the connection. And I feel like right now, this person sees that you are being called by God, Taurus, to finally step into your power at this time. And yeah, so this is really a beautiful thing. Just know that this person is going to be paying attention to you, and everybody else. A lot of people are going to be paying attention to you guys as well. But the thing is, people won't be able to figure a lot of things out with you and this person, because it's like hard to tell. It's like I said, it's just hard to tell which one of you guys have fallen more deeply in love than the other. And I think people just do this because they're amazed at how much you love each other, you and this person. This is really a special connection, and they make you feel really, really great. All right. And that's all I have. God bless.